Okay, I'm going to kick off his movie monster series with the great white shark from Jaws. Okay, I'm going to start with a shape which comes up to a point here, and I'm going to draw the iconic classic movie poster image, you know, just a shark coming surging up to the surface with its mouth wide open, heading towards unsuspecting swimmer. Gulp. Okay, there's a kind of pointed shape. The mouth, you see from underneath, it's a great curved shape like this, up to the top and then back down here. A bit like a cave entrance, you know, like that. And the bottom part of his mouth comes up like that. Okay, and the teeth, of course, in the along the top of the line here. Now with sharks, there are actually layers of teeth, and in this one what you get is you get small teeth at the front here, like that, and then a kind of line, almost like a gum shape, cartilage shape coming behind there, and the big teeth coming in behind like that, and of course the big things at the bottom, like sharp, big dagger shapes at the bottom here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go quickly to, I'm going to put the eye in first. One eye there, another eye comes in over there. Okay, I'm just going to go straight to the pen, okay, to get this as quickly as possible. Right, let's start from here, and there's a line which comes in from over here, and a bit more weight on the pen coming up. A slight dip there and then into the point and round. In right and then down like that. Okay. And in this space, as I say, we have the eye shaded in black. And there's a kind of line around it like that. Okay, and then the edge of the shark's body coming in here. And another line coming in, let's see, coming up. I brought this too far, so I'm just going to bring it to it here. Okay, the other eye comes in about there, with the line above it. And then this part of the shark's body coming in there. You can see it looking up. And a couple of little nostril type shapes, which appear about there. One there, one opposite there. Sharp at the top and thicker at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to put in the shape of the mouth. Right, and right up to that. The big cave entrance shape like that coming down. And then this part of the shark coming up very thinly, then broadening out to there. Okay, and the bottom of his jaw coming in, a bit flattered across the top, like that, and back down again. Okay, so let's put these dagger shapes, little teeth at the front here. There's one coming in over there. Okay, and big one coming in over there. And then you have the kind of second layer of cartilage coming in here behind those teeth. And then behind that, of course, you have the great pointed jobs here, right? That, there's more coming down there. And they kind of curve in the way a bit, like that, okay? And then another one coming behind here. And maybe another one coming in there. And then one at the top. And there's a bit more cartilage showing, I think, down this way, yeah. Probably coming down there as well. Like that. And some more teeth coming in behind. You get a kind of double layer effect, you know. Two for the price of one. Like that. And then these great ones coming from the bottom. Like that. This one's a bit more curved. And one there, like that. And this one curved too. and one there, and one there. Okay, so there's the basic shape of the shark head coming thrusting up through the water. So what I'm going to do now is get a broader pen and fill in this part here, make it nice and dark. Okay, right, I have a broader pen now, and I'll start to fill in shapes round about the teeth. Just carefully going around the teeth like that, filling in a bit and then going up to the next bit. Careful trying to keep those points like that. And I'm going to carry on doing this. Take a couple of minutes for me, maybe 3 or 4. So I'll see you when I'm almost finished. Okay, right, I'm nearly finished now. Just these last few teeth to shade round to the end here. Yeah, it looks quite dramatic, doesn't it? A great gaping mouth with those ferocious teeth. Excellent. A real classic movie monster. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me for my next one in this series. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.